Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Imagine printing that important document or cherished photo directly from your iPhone in just minutes without a computer. The first step is simple. Make sure your printer is powered on and actively connected to your home or office Wi-Fi network. Crucially, your iPhone needs to be connected to that very same Wi-Fi network. This identical network connection is key for your devices to discover each other effortlessly. Once both are ready, the magic can begin. The easiest way to print from your iPhone is often through Apple's built-in AirPrint technology. AirPrint lets you print wirelessly without needing to download special drivers or apps for most modern printers. It's truly a game changer for convenience. When you're in an app like Photos, Mail, or Safari, simply tap the Share icon. From the options that appear, scroll down and select the Print command. Your iPhone will then automatically search for available AirPrint printers on your network. What if your printer doesn't support AirPrint? No problem at all. Many printer manufacturers offer their own dedicated mobile applications that work beautifully with iPhones. For instance, you might look for HP Smart, Canon Print Inkjet/Selfie, or Epson iPrint in the App Store. Download the specific app for your printer's brand. These apps will walk you through the connection process step by step and unlock additional features, ensuring you can still print seamlessly from your device. Once your printer is detected, simply select it from the list that appears on your iPhone screen. Before hitting print, take a moment to review your printing options. You can often adjust the number of copies, paper size, and whether to print in color or black and white. If your printer doesn't show up, try a quick troubleshoot. Restart both your printer and your iPhone. Also, double-check that both devices are still connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Most connection hiccups are easily resolved this way. To ensure your printing experience remains smooth and reliable, always keep your iPhone's iOS software up to date. Similarly, check for any firmware updates for your printer. These updates often bring performance improvements, new features, and crucial security enhancements. With these simple steps, you're now fully equipped to print virtually anything directly from your iPhone. Enjoy the incredible convenience of mobile printing, freeing you from your computer and letting you print from anywhere on your home network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.